Hello guys, welcome to this project. Today I'm going to try and record fireworks for you guys because I want you to see like a few. I can hear them, but there's one like really close to my house, you see? So,
Is it behind me?
yes. Look, it's probably just like this song. What is wrong with mine? But here is about that. So it's coming from my window here. And I think
What's wrong with me?
did you hear that?
I swear.
Yeah. No.
Need some windows there.
Oh, there. See, look at that. Guys, see that man? It's crazy around here. Like my bonfire now is going mad crazy.
So I can't really
What's
tell.
that? Look, man. Sorry.
Ooh. They're nice. I looked at them straight away.
It takes a while. So I think they're really big. Or not. No. So see, none of them are there. So I'm just gonna show you like the weirdest thing I could do with my third. That's how I can do it. It's pretty easy to do this.
Oh, they're like that. That's it.
What?
Like.
Look, look.
No.
Actually, I could. What? Shush. Oh, if only I could. One second, you guys. I could just sort of see so you guys could get a clearer view of them. Like,
Why don't you just click on the ones that are already in house when it shows it or not?
God's sake.
I can't do any better. One second, you guys.
What?
So, can you find what's in the disc? But I don't think I could see them, to be honest.
Tall windows. There you go. For goodness sake. What? How?
Come on! I'm expecting this for my videos!
What? How does he do it?
Shush!
You shut up, you monkey. Bomb you as well.
Sean,
Yeah.
stop.
I can't.
I like that. How much money you got? You don't like it now, huh?
There, I got that one perfect, that one. That one was perfect, that one. It was a little one, but sort of like an explosion one.
Ah! How?
Wow.
No, I can't help. No, I can't help.
I don't know if you can guys see it right now, there's sparklers in the background. Well, I can see, but there's like big fireworks. I'm just saying it's fireworks. Bye. Have a nice bonfire.